Hey guys, thanks for watching Build Your Own Adventure. Today I want to show you a trip that we went on over Christmas break. A trip I've been wanting to go on for a long time. We went to Florida, but we didn't go to Disney this time. So we are headed to Titusville, and we are going to make a stop in Savannah on the way there. It's actually not quite in Savannah. We stop at a hip camp in South Carolina just before the Georgia state line. We're going to stay overnight, and then we're going to head to Titusville after that. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy the trip. A palm tree hair salon. So beautiful.
This is the best kitchen ever.
What do you think, buddy? Nothing?
GPS says we have a 4-hour trip. Usually when we plan trips, it always takes at least an hour longer, sometimes more. I told them 10 o'clock. I hope we can get there before then. We'll see. So, wish us luck. We'll see you there. Alright, so we're at the hip camp. We got here at like a little after 10 last night. We are about to leave and head to Titusville after I check everything out. Really cool place here. Kurt, the owner, built all of this himself. Just a really cool place. Beautiful area. We're back here in the woods. Kids are loving it. A lot of room to play and run and do what you want to do. Real tall pine trees. Just a cool place. So we're gonna continue our trip. We're gonna head to Titusville. We're leaving a little later than we thought, but I started talking to Kurt about the whole building this area, and I just had a ball doing that. So Kurt, thanks for the conversation. Thanks for letting us stay. We're gonna get out of here, head to Titusville.
Welcome to Florida.
So we're staying at Manatee Hammock. It's in Titusville, Florida. It's right on the Indian River. It is a pretty big campground with a whole lot of sites, but not a lot of privacy. Now, this is not a big deal because the view you get from the water, the fact that you have a water view out near the water is just awesome. A lot of grassy areas, a lot of benches set up right on the water so you can look across. You can see Kennedy Space Center from here. It's just a beautiful place. It's been extremely quiet for the amount of people here. I can't believe how quiet it is. Very dog friendly. Lots of people walking dogs all the time. It's just been a good place. These little guys. Oh. Done with the airboat ride? That was a lot of fun. What'd you think of the airboat?
It was awesome.
What'd you like?
I loved it.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, I don't know. Oh. My favorite part was seeing the alligator.
Yeah, the little alligator was cute.
I figured your favorite part was when he spun out there at the end.
That was fun when he slid.
Just fell off.
What'd you think, Mo?
I thought it was awesome.
I loved everything.
You did? Everything of it.
Fish lips?
Yeah, fish lips. Woo! Surfers! Oh, Paige is...
Like hanging on for dear life.
Bringing the bunch over there. What is it?
It's a shark.
Yeah. After what you just saw, we left Titusville 2 days later. That next day we went to Kennedy Space Center, which will be in another video coming up later. A few things to know about Cocoa Beach. If you have a dog, there are only certain places that you can take your dog. So be aware of that. We did not know that until we got there. We went to 2 or 3 different places to try to go out on the beach with Reese with us, and we couldn't take her. So I ended up sitting in the truck with her while the kids and Ashley went out on the beach. There are designated places we found out later. Port Canaveral is a really cool place. Lots of restaurants on the water. There's the ports with the cruise ships, of course. And then you could see SpaceX had the landing ships out there, which for me, I was geeking out over that. Very cool to see. No rockets on them. That was disappointing, but I think one came in the next day, the day after we left. We left Titusville and we headed to Skidaway Island State Park in Savannah, Georgia. Beautiful place, and you can check it out here. We made it to Savannah today. Got here just before dark. And now Ashley is cooking up something. What you making?
I'm making shrimp. And we're gonna cook it on the Blackstone.
What else you got?
We have some rice, and we're gonna have some stir fry.
Ooh.
Yeah, we gotta dry the shrimp. Then they're gonna get their seasonings on them.
What you using?
We'll have a little bit of olive oil. And I just got this Emerald's essence for tonight.
Emerald! What's he
Keep
say?
it simple.
Kabam! Or something like that.
Bam! I think that's what he said. Bam!
Kablooey!
We're gonna mix them up with a little bit of seasoning and oil. And they're gonna sit in their bath for a minute.
Kapow!
Bam! Well, I cheated and I bought this little pack of stir-fry vegetables and noodles. And it said to microwave the noodles, but I don't have a microwave. So I'm steaming them in Blackstone for a minute. Yummy. Stir fry, stir. Take them out.
Dinner is served. Now we're at Skidaway Island. This is in Savannah, Georgia. It is a state park and it is beautiful. We got here yesterday around 4:30. Of course, it's winter, so it's getting dark at like 5 o'clock now. Haven't really walked around the park. The site is amazing. It's super private. A little tricky getting in and out. Well, at least getting in, it was a little tricky. There's a whole bunch of tree roots that are gonna probably cause some issues getting out of here. We'll see. We have low clearance on our trailer, so that makes a huge difference for us. But basically it's a pull-through site, pretty small pull-through site, but it's extremely private. It is a perfect way to end our vacation. It's beautiful. This is site 48, and we're going to take you along and see what else this park has to offer. Today is the last day of our vacation. It's very sad because it's been a really good vacation, nice and relaxing. Today we head home from Savannah. Skidaway Island State Park is a beautiful place. I have to say I didn't really get to explore like I wanted to, but once we got here I just wanted to relax, and I think we all did. We'll definitely be back here and I can't wait. But for now, we need to pack everything up, get the kids up, that's the hardest part, and get packed up and get on the road and head home. We've had a wonderful vacation. Both campgrounds were great in different ways. Kennedy Space Center was everything I hoped it would be. Kids enjoyed it. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing that. And we'll catch you next time.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long on unresolved questions holds you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on.